The International Crimes Tribunal (ICT) has issued arrest warrant against former Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina and 10 others, including her former defense advisor, Major General retired Tariq Ahmed Siddique, and former Inspector General of Police IGP Benazir Ahmed. The warrant is in the connection with two cases related to extrajudicial killings and enforced disappearances. The tribunal, chaired by Justice Gholam Murtoza Mojumdar, issued the orders after the prosecution filed two petitions seeking the arrest of these 11 individuals. During the hearing, ICT Chief Prosecutor Mohammad Tajul Islam said that the AL had established a culture of enforced disappearances under state sponsorship, and those involved in carrying out these disappearances were rewarded. He also said no one should dare to commit such a heinous act in the future. Through this, it will be possible to restore the image of the agencies involved in disappearances, he added.